Help me pull it up. Oh no. Maybe not as one piece, Billy. Mom's gonna see this and kind of what the What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be installing some aero parts. We got Aeroflow Dynamics version 5. Oh my god, version 5 side skirts here. And we also got Aeroflow Dynamics version 5 rear diffuser. Now we're gonna install some aero in this car. Let's get to it. Okay, so we put the car around the ramps just to install the side skirts first, and we're just gonna take it out. We're gonna mark it up real quick. From what I've seen, it's really simple. I think it's like, well, like 5 or 6 drills like that we have to drill in, and then that's literally it. Let's get to it. I'm just gonna line this one up first. Okay guys, so we got 3 screws in. What we did first was we screwed the first one in so we can line it up, and then we screwed the last one in so that we can make sure that it's straight, and now we're just doing all the ones in the middle. There's 3. There's one that's right above his head that we just did, and now there's one more right under the door that we're doing. Let's get under there and take a peek. Okay. Push up against the whole thing. This thing is super aggressive, and it looks pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. I really like how it looks, but at the same time I got slight mixed feelings, because as you can see it does stick out quite a bit compared to the front lip and the wheels. But I couldn't find any other side skirts that I like, and the ones I did like were like in the thousands, so these were pretty good for the price. We got the first side on. It's pretty sturdy. As you can see, it's pretty aggressive. It sticks out quite a bit, about maybe like ½ an inch out past the wheel, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. You guys can't see it as well on camera. Oh, almost fell. But in person, ooh, down here you can see it. Yeah, it looks good. On to the other side. Numero dos. The other side was? Alright. That sounds like a Subi. Yeah. Okay, alright guys, numero dos is on. Dos numero is on. Looking pretty good. Super aggressive. A little bit too aggressive, I don't know. On camera it looks like it fits really good, but in person it sticks out just a little bit more than I would like. I kind of wish that it would line up with the wheels, but it's okay. The reason why we couldn't push it in anymore is because there are rubber pieces that are hanging down. If you guys want side skirts, definitely recommend Aeroflow. They give you all the tools that you need, and with tons of extra screws in case you mess up or lose some of them. We used, I think, 20 in total, and there's still a handful of them left, so that's excellent. Now let's move on to the diffuser. Aggressive. Pump some iron. Dang, this thing is super aggressive. Super duper. Right now, we're putting the diffuser in as one piece, and yeah, so I'm using an Allen bolt and a socket wrench to put the pieces together. It comes in 3 separate pieces, but excuse me, Aeroflow gives you all the hardware that you need to put and make it together. Oh snap, can't lose those. Make it together as one piece before you put it onto the diffuser, so it's easier to install. My brother and I actually thought we didn't have these pieces to connect them, and we were looking all over for them, and then we couldn't find them, and we thought, oh no, they must have like not given us any, so we were about to go out and buy some. But as we were like cleaning up all the stuff in the driveway to go, oh, I found this bag. It's just sitting on the driveway with all the bolts and stuff on it. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update when we piece the whole thing together. This is only 2 pieces together right now. But yeah, I'll give you an update then. Okay, I'm gonna take off the pop clips that I need to take off, and then we can start to mount the braces. Alright. Okay, so I got the 2 brackets installed. 1, 2. You're gonna have to take out the original pop clips out and then thread this in. So this one doesn't require a nut, just a bolt. So this is the threaded one that you have to push through. It's for the end of the diffuser. This one that comes with the nut, it's for the bumper that attaches onto the chassis. Okay, both sides. So don't be alarmed if when you take it out and there isn't a bolt on this side, I mean a nut on this side, because this is threaded and it doesn't need a nut on the other side to do it. So now that we have both of these installed, we also took off the pop clips over there and over there. We're finally ready for the diffuser. Looking mean. I'm gonna put that on to the end of here, and yeah. Alright guys, so literally this part took the longest because we couldn't figure out how to freaking do this, and we looked up so many videos and like online like thing. Oh, hello, yummy. No, I'm just kidding. So many things, but nobody like showed how to do this part. And it was this part right here, this screw that goes into the side next to the exhaust. All right, so here's what we did. We had a screwdriver, and right here we used this to twist it to make it tight. But the thing is, the nut on the other side is not, what the hell, that thing flies? But the nut had nothing to hold up against. So if you twist it, it's just twisting by itself, it's not tightening. So what we ended up doing is we took, where's the wrench? Show me the wrench. We took a wrench and we stuck it all the way in here, and our hand could barely fit, and we tried to like feel it where the nut is and held it. And then we screwed it in as this hand was being stuck here. So yeah, there's a little tip for you guys. Use a wrench, hold the nut inside, and then screw it in from the bottom, or else, oh my god, it was such a pain. But yeah, these two were super easy in the middle. But yeah, figured it out. Now all that's left is the bar that connects, the 2 mounts that connect to the sway bar. And it is a fully chassis mounted rear diffuser. Already right now it's like pretty sturdy. You know, it's not really going anywhere for sure, but we're really gonna make sure it doesn't go anywhere by connecting onto the sway bar. Dude, you kill somebody with those spikes. Dang, it's looking good, boys, looking good. All right, let's get to it. This is the sway bar right here. There's a bolt right here, and same thing on the other side. We already did that side. So you have to, excuse me, you have to take this bolt off, and it's kind of rough to take off. So you gotta use some, I use some WD-40, and then I let it sit for a little bit. And then I took my trusty socket wrench. Where'd it go? Right here. And then we took it off. Now we are gonna take this, the the mount, put it right here, and then screw it back in. What? Okay. Oh, now it's nice and sturdy. Just gotta make sure that the holes match up, and they do. So now we take this and we thread it through. As of right now, this is what it looks like. You can't really see the side skirts, there's no lights on. But yeah, this thing is really aggressive and I love it. It's super aggressive. What do you think, Gary? Looks good. Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Oh my god! Dude, that like was like 1 centimeter away. Looks good. Looks good.
Damn, this thing looks hella aggressive now.
Oh yeah.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Dude, this thing looks so good. Holy oh my god, dude. Dude, this is my car.
Yes, I think you should know that by now.
Woo. This thing looks nasty. As always, shout out to my brother Gary for helping me out. Where are you going to? Right here, man. Okay, I'll give you guys an update tomorrow morning when the sun's out. Alright, so it's the next day. Here's what it looks like during the day. Pretty aggressive, if you gotta ask me. Looking really good, but the car is extremely dirty. So I'm gonna give it a quick wash and then I'll show you guys again. Nice and clean. Dang, could stab somebody with that. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out that video. Let me know what you guys think of the side skirts and the diffuser. It looks insane, and when in the pictures it looks good, but in person it looks even better. So I'm very happy with that purchase. Let me know what you guys think. Is it too aggressive? Not aggressive enough? Should I have gone with a different company with a different diffuser? But yeah, let me know. So coils are on the way. They are ordered. They are being shipped. It says it's being shipped from factory and not from the distributor, which means it could take longer than it usually would. So usually when I order parts from them, it takes like a week, but because it's from factory, it could take up to a month. But yeah, after I get my coils down, I want to get my car tinted and get the alignment for the coils, obviously. And then after that, it's gonna be, actually I'm gonna keep that surprise. It's gonna be something big, okay? Just keep that in mind. It's gonna be something big. It's gonna be awesome. Thank you so much for checking out that video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what your thoughts are. If you like my car, don't like my car, you like how it's coming along, you don't like how it's coming along, I'm open to all sorts of comments. If you don't like it, hate it, whatever, let me know, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.